Timi, the gospel singer standing trial for the alleged murder of his 24-year-old girlfriend, Salome Adaidu, was seen praying solemnly in court as proceedings resumed this morning. Ajayi was arrested on the 12th of January 2025 in connection with the chilling death of Salome, a core member posted to Nikon Insurance in Abuja. The young woman who was allegedly murdered during a visit to Ajayi's residence in Papalana, New Kashi, in Karu local government area of Nasarawa State. According to investigators, the suspect was caught while allegedly trying to dispose Salome's dismembered body. He reportedly showed no remorse during the interrogation process, claiming that Salome had been repeatedly unfaithful. But in a recent video making rounds online, Ajayi was seen deep in prayer at the courtroom, hands raised and eyes shut, seemingly locked up in the spiritual moment as his legal journey unfolds. The footage has triggered mixed reactions online, with some questioning the motive behind the public display of pity. As question lingers, we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates. Drop your opinion in the comment box section below and keep watching Naija News TV.